Hello, welcome, Swaddy Car. My name's Rob, and this is Project Bangkok. And well, you know who this guy is, and we kind of got distracted. Although this channel is mostly about Bangkok, we're down here in Pattaya at a car show event, and this is the first car show that I've been to down here in Pattaya, and it's called Cars on Flight. And well, that's because it's here at the Terminal 21 shopping centre. So let's take a look around. I can see there's a bunch of GTRs, a bunch of stuff going on. There's supercars, there's sports cars, 90s cars, big bikes, and a bunch of stuff to see and do. And let's just get into it and stop rambling, yeah? Look at the size of this spoiler. Nice. Oh man, I love seeing these 370s. This not a Nismo just yet. I used to have a 370 Nismo when I was back in the UK, so it's good to see them out here representing. And they go on and on and on. They've got 350s here, 370s, all sorts of just, yeah, oh, absolutely amazing. I'm right in my element in this car show, that's for sure. So although me and Adam, I know Chad from CB Media, we just appreciate cars and stuff going on in the city of Thailand. And well, look, this is why we come out to all of these kind of events. You never know what is going on. And yeah, it's just amazing to see all the Thai people sort of in all their glory, really. So before we come here, we're actually a bit concerned about how many cars you could actually get here at the Terminal 21, but they've literally actually put them everywhere that you can imagine. So it's a really good turnout of sort of all sorts of different sort of brands and styles of cars, from supercars to just like your average day-to-day cars. Most of the cars here have probably been driven here by local Thais, you know, just for their weekend to spend with their families. So yeah, it's just really good to see a turnout like this. You can see they've literally stuck cars anywhere they could, squeezed them in, put them up for show, made it look nice and tidy. Well, you definitely can't complain about the turnout of the types of cars that they have here at the event at Terminal 21. Look at them. And look at the sheer amount of Skylines and GTRs, and well, I suppose they're the same thing, Skyline and GTR. All these R35s here showed up in force. Out of my price range, that's for sure. Maybe a few more subscribers and I'll be able to get myself one, a ProjectBangkok GTR. Like I was saying earlier, I'm no Chad from CB Media. He's right there. So yeah, and he's enjoying this event, and so have many other people. It's actually really good. It's starting to cool down now. It's about 5:30, 6 o'clock. So it's definitely the time to come to these shows. It definitely gets more busy. Ooh, some models. So, what's your thoughts on the car show?
It's much better than I expected. I thought, like, for the size of this place, I didn't expect much, and I didn't think there'd be that many cars.
Yeah, that's what I said earlier. I said, like, we would probably be like, so many cars you'd fit in here, but they managed to cram, like, so many in, and, like, there's people just driving around as well, like, just probably not even part of the show. They brought their own cars. Well guys, if you're not subscribing for me, at least subscribe for them, come on. There you go. Quite funny because obviously there's me, there's Adam, we've seen Chad from CB Media. I met Chocolate Man in Thailand for the first time. He's such a cool guy. He was here with his girlfriend, I think it's Faye or Fi. Don't butcher me for that, but yeah, she was here with him as well. They were having a good time. There's so many YouTubers here just having a good time, and yeah, it's just a great place to be. Adam's full on in love with the MR2. Yeah. Yeah.
Makes me want to drive mine.
Man, I absolutely love these Lamborghinis. If I ever do win the lottery, this will be the first thing on my Christmas list. So that is it for the car show here in Pattaya. Cars on the flight. It was much better than I expected. There's way more cars here than I thought they'd be able to fit in such a small space. They're giving loads of stuff away. This goes on until 10 o'clock at night. I'm going to send the drone up in a minute and try and get some good shots. Adam's spotted a Toyota MR2, so he's fallen in love behind me. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope to cover more car shows in the future. Like I said, I'm no CB Media, but you know, we do what we can here at Project Bangkok. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.